Okay, children, today we are going to see about Standard 3rd Maths, about the Unit 6 Information Processing. So, in this information processing is systematic listing. First, they are given. See here, they are given the pictures of the shirt and trousers. Kavin has taken 2 trousers and 3 shirts with him to wear in a picnic. So, Kavin is a boy. He has taken 2 trousers and 3 shirts for wearing in a picnic, to wear in a picnic. So, we have to list down all the possible choices that he can wear them. So, the different colors he have taken the trousers and shirts, 2 trousers and 3 shirts. So, in what all the combination, what are the colors of trousers and shirts, in which possible ways he can wear it for the picnic. So, in this they are given a yellow trouser and the green trouser, and along with that yellow shirt, half shirt, and then violet and pink as a full shirt. So this boy has to put any combination of these 2 trousers and these shirts. You have to possible ways. What are the possible ways he can wear the shirts for a picnic? So you take a book, page number 56. So first choice in picture 1 they had given yellow trouser and yellow shirt, green trouser and yellow shirt. Again the same yellow trouser and blue shirt, green trouser and blue shirt. Again yellow and pink, green and pink. So in these possible ways, he can wear the shirts for the 3 days. 6 choices are there. So 6 times he can wear these choices of dresses. Like this, we can have the fruits combination, letters combination, alphabets, numbers, anyway. Anything we can do it in these choices. So there are 2 possible ways of dressing using 1 half sleeve shirt and 2 trousers. Otherwise, we shall pair the remaining 2 full sleeves with half trousers, and then another color of full sleeve shirt with another pair of trousers. So like this, here they are given the vegetables and fruits. So what Kavin likes to eat? 1 vegetable and 1 fruit in a day. So he likes to eat the vegetables and fruits. So fruits what they are given? Apples and oranges, and vegetables they are given is carrot and cucumber. So he can have his own choice to eat both this vegetable and fruit, 1 vegetable and 1 fruit. So they are given the table. Fruit they are given and vegetable they are given. So in which combination he can eat the food? Here fruit and vegetable. So if they are given the 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4 choices. So he has got 4 choices. So how can he eat? So first he got apple, he can take the fruit, and he can have the carrot. Apple, fruit and 1 carrot. Then apple and cucumber he can take. Okay. Then orange and carrot. Again orange and cucumber. So he can take 1 fruit and 1 vegetable. So he can take apple or carrot, or apple or cucumber. Or he can take orange or carrot, orange and cucumber. So this is the way of eating the vegetables, 1 fruit and 1 vegetable. And here activity 1, you see, find all possible ways of coloring the given blocks with blue and red. So you can take your color pencils and draw this given grid and color it. Three, 4 grids they are given. So 5 grids they are given. 5 grids are in a different colors. You have to, first one they are done for you, and second one you have to do it by yourself. So in this 5 grid, 4 parts are split பண்ணிருக்காங்க. 2, So like this they split and given. So for this you have to do the blue color and red color. So I don't have the blue and red. I will put the blue and orange and blue. So first one, they shade the portion like this, orange. And second one, they shade it like this with blue color. And again, orange. Like this, they are given. So all this, what you have to do is, the next one, you can change it. So here we have put the orange, no? So we can take it as a blue. So you have to do it like this only. So if you have taken the blue here, and next one is orange. So like this, you can change it and do it by yourself. Here I can put the orange. And here I can put the blue. Again I put it in the orange. So alternative colors, you can change the place and do it. So automatically orange after blue will come. So you can use a color pencil, or you can use your crayons, or you can have the paint, watercolor or any color. So like this, you can do the what are the possible ways, how many squares they are given, you have to fill it and do it, children. Okay, so fill it colorfully. Then again I'll do the blue. Here one blue. Here one blue will come. Okay, so change it. You can change the colors also, not only the blue or orange. Any two colors you can take it and do it. So shade it like this. So this is the way of doing the color. You can do it in the book itself, children. Then the next one, fill in the white space given blocks with alternate colors, and you have to answer the following questions. Yeah, they are given green and pink. So the next one is also you have to color it, and then you have to answer the questions that they are given for you. So 4 squares are there, and again 3, 2 and 3, and then 2, and then 1. So they are given like this. They are given the color green. So where all the green is here? Here's the green. There are the green, you can shade it with the green color, and after that you have to answer the questions. How many blocks are colored with green, and how many blocks are colored with pink, and how many blocks are colored with white. So like this they are given, no? Then you can take a white. So if you color with the crayons, it will look nice, children. So pink. So after this, you count and write how many pink is there, how many green is there, how many white is there. So what are the questions they are asking? You can answer them properly by saying this one. Okay, so you have colored it. Now they are asking you the questions. What questions they are asking? We'll see that now. Okay, so here I have drawn something. Here, now, total number of blocks. How many blocks are there? Here, total number of blocks. So you can count and say how many blocks. Total number of blocks is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks are there. Okay. And then number of rows block. Number of rows block. How many blocks are there in rows? I think it's 1, 2, 3. And then number of green blocks. So how many green blocks are there? How many green? 1, 2, 3, 4 greens. And then number of pink blocks. Number of pink blocks. So read the question carefully. They won't ask the same questions. They will twist you and ask. That means they will confuse and ask. See here in this question, number of rows blocks in set 2 and second and fourth row. So how many blocks are there? In second row, how many blocks? No green is there, no pink is there. In fourth row, only 2. So you can write 2. And then how many green blocks are more than the pink blocks? How many green blocks are more than pink? Pink vida green how much is there? So how many pinks are there? How many green blocks are more? 1, 2, 3, 4. But pink is only 3. So one block is more. Green block is how many green blocks? How many green blocks are more than pink? So only one only is there. So this is the answers. What all the answers they are written? So I'll say once again, listen. So number of blocks, total number of blocks is 10, and then number of rose blocks is 3, and number of green blocks is 4, and the number of pink blocks in the second and fourth row. In second row, no pink block is there, but in fourth row, 2 blocks are there. So you can put 2. And how many green blocks are more than the pink one? So green evada pink evla adhikama irukku. So only here green is 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Here pink is 3. So 4 minus 3, that gives you 1. Okay. So like this you have to shade it and write the question answer. So that I told you, so see the question and write the answer. Now we'll move on to the next page, page number 58. Okay. Now list down all the possible ways of forming the 3-digit numbers by using the digits 4, 5, 7 and 1. So you have to list down all the possible. Page number 58. List down all the possible ways of forming 3-digit numbers. By using the 4, 5, 7. These 3 numbers they are given. So we have to list down the possible ways. What are the possible ways to form these 3-digit numbers using only once? One time only we have to, we should not repeat the numbers, okay? So first one we can take the same number, 400 and, you should not put the commas while writing this number, 457. And then again you change this number, 457 we can write 754. Then again you can take the 574. Then 547. Then we can take 700. 745. Okay. 745, 754, 574, 547, then 457, then 475. Okay. So these are the 3-digit numbers we have to use only once. So 457, 754, 574, 547, 745, 475. Otherwise you can write down like this also. You can take and write 457, again you take 475. Then you take the 5 number, 574. Then again adhe 5 547. Then you can take 754, 747. So if you are taking the 4 means on the 457, 475. These two numbers you can change. Then next you take 5, 7, 4, 574 and 5 center also 547. And then again you take 7, 754, 745. Sorry. You should not use the number once. So these are the possible way of using the numbers 4, 5 and 1. We are down. This is the example sum. In down we are given the same one, 9, 6 and 8. So we can take this number and write. So 9, 6 and 8, same. So 6 times it will come. Same thing. So you can write this number 968. 986, then 689, 698, then 869, 896. So these are the possible way of doing the numbers. Okay, so change this number and write it and practice everything. Okay children, thank you. We will see it in the next class.